Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Locksport On Location today. We are at Pooch Park, aka Tedder Reserve, here off Finland Road, Finland in South Australia. Now before I take you to the dogs and show you the park, just want to draw your attention to the lock on the side gate. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Now this is Abloy Finland 330. Well in use. We've got let's have a look here. We've got rusted on the outside. Bit of a cobweb moved in there. Some lettering to identify the key for the council, I'd say. So my question to you would be, would that lock still be in use? Would it be functional still? Well, I think we have an answer to that. Have a look at this. There's a mound there where the gate would have swung and moved the gum leaves and sticks out of the way. Oh, there's the lovely Betty. Betty, say hello to the viewers. Say hello. Love and life, being a doll, not having to work today, in her assistant's dog duties. Oh, there's a piece of glass. We shall pick that up and take it with us. There's another mound there. So that tells me that this gate has been opened and just that lock is still in use. Very interesting, isn't it? That it could be that, looking like that on the outside, but those discs are still good to go. Well, let's just have a meet of Clancy. Clancy, say hello to the viewers. Say hello. There he is. There they are. They've had a big run. They haven't been here for probably a year, and when they got through the first gate, the rule is take them off the lead before they get through the second gate, because you sometimes get greeted at the gate by other dogs. You don't want any tangling issues. And they were extremely excited, and they just fanged it in here and ran and ran and ran. There was another dog in here. It looked like a copper from Murlock's family, Murlock 68, and he shows pictures of his dog. That's what that dog looked like. Beautiful coat and colour. Okay, so here's part of the park. Now, down there, all of that big round circle is like a big sand pit, which is really cool. Ball games, all sorts of stuff. And we've got a little walk park around where I can do an okay lap, and the dogs will follow me and have a sniff. So this is all bushland, lots of gums, lots of wattle trees, fellow lichens. Beautiful, beautiful place. So they've also got a little bit of an agility thing here. Run around, jump over, and then that's Clancy. Woohoo! And then up here, where you first walk in, there's two entrances, one this way where the car park is, disability parking, and one down the other end. There's the water station. What's cool about this water station? Well, you've got a section here for the humans. And there you go. We call it street furniture. Betty, drink, darling, drink. And then you've got this here where Betty is. Look at that, put your foot on that. And you get, for those dogs who like it fresh, who like their water running. So that's the entrance that we came in, which is the car park. Down there, it's the entrance, and that's the toilet block if you need to go. And this is the park. That's the main road, Finland Road, going along there. But it doesn't really bother you that much because you're too busy having fun watching the dogs. Okay, so I'll just take you down here to the bin so I can get rid of this bit of glass. So this park is maintained by the City of Charles III. And then down this way, I'll take you over to here. So this is all completely fenced off. But outside the fence, you've got like a walking, bike, running track, and that is completely along the river. So it follows the river around. All down in there. You can just see the water there is the waterway. So the dogs are really enjoying their day, or their morning. It's called Pooch Park. And this is the road when you come in. Tedder Reserve Fenced Dog Park. You can have a little read of that. So there you go. You've got this little sheltered area for humans when it rains. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed this little visit to the Pooch Park. And let me know, do you think that 330 Abloy Finland lock is still in use? Or do you think it's gonna not be in use pretty soon? Are those discs internally protected? When they put the key in, do they just push that spider web into the keyway? We don't know. So there's a couple of dogs about to arrive into the doggy park. So I will say my farewells. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.